Hey Rob, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Just wanted to get back out this quick video to you just to show you some things about your website and some of your competitors. Like we talked about on the phone, this is going to be about how do you beat the guys that are online currently beating you now to push you at the top of the search rankings. I'm going to look at multiple different ways that you could do this. To rank your website, to get it to move up in the search rankings, it takes three things. One, it's content on your website. When I'm talking about content, I'm talking about the words. It has keywords in it that people are actually searching for. I'll show you some of those in a moment, just kind of some of the volume behind some of those searches so you can see what I mean there. It takes 1,500 words minimum of content. A lot of times if you're adding additional keywords, then we're going to have additional content as well. So really there's kind of a ratio of about 250 to 300 words per keyword, and then we put that on there 3 times. Really, trying to make it look real organic and not spammy in Google's eyes, because they're going to flag you on that. Now, content is king. That's the first thing. Second thing are called backlinks. So these are other websites that are going to refer in to your website, link to it. It's going to be a blog post out there that we will create that when somebody clicks on that keyword, it lands on your website, passes some power, and then Google starts to push you up in the, there's more people talking about your business, linking to your business. It's just ranking you as the authority for lawn care, for hardscaping, all of these different services that you do. So that's the second thing. Third thing are citations. So this is getting your business out there listed on online directories. So your name, address, and phone number, what we call the NAP, listed on online directories above and beyond what your competition is doing. I'll show you some things in a moment that really speak to that. As far as the website look, you've got a nice video on there like that. There's just a real lack of content that you need. You have a little bit, you've got some nice images. I would probably, switch those up in a little bit as far as like how we put some images around some content and talk about your services and such. But overall, you guys have a good start on the look of it, but really looking at what can you guys do to enhance this from an SEO standpoint, and you're just going to have to add some words on there. Now, look at what's happening, just so you know. You type in lawn care Fayetteville, Arkansas, you've got True Greens Lawn Care's running some ads in the Google Map Pack. You've got Willow Street Lawns, Spring Green, a clean cut lawn care is also in the map section. This is going to be tied to your Google business profile, how strong it is. We're going to optimize that as well. We are going to place keywords in the description. Again, build citations to this so that there's a lot of things linking to it. That's going to help push you up in those search rankings. That other thing that you guys have got to do is you've got to get Google reviews. You can see, this company's got 26, a clean cut's got 152. Google reviews are going to be powerful. I can help you with that by creating a QR code that links straight to the Google review page. Easy for your customer at the end of the job. Hey, did we do a good job? Can you give us 5 stars on this? And boom, it's done. So that's the map section. The third section is going to be this area down here where it's the organic section. So this is ranked on your SEO. You want to be in the top 3 positions. You've got to have, your image over there. It's got to have just a description that talks about your services. Again, it's keyword rich. It's pulling stuff on your website that's ranking you high. And that's the name of the game there. We'll look at Clean Cut and show you what they're doing to get up there. These guys don't have any ads running for lawn care. If you look over on the landscaping side, there is several people running ads. All of these sponsored ads are guys running ads. Sierra Lawn, Ground Guys, Arkansas Outdoor Professionals. These are all running ads for landscaping. You see Willow Streets in there familiarly on the map section. A couple other companies for landscaping are popping up. And then you got this Fayark Lawn that's pretty strong on there. I'll show you what's going on their website and how they're beating you right now. Let's look at what you guys are just doing right now. So this is your website. I popped it into this program called Ahrefs. It gives me an idea of how strong your website is and what keywords you're being found for currently. You guys launched, it looks like in December. Really don't have any strength at all. So this is like no backlinks are coming in. Nothing's really happening on your website, and it's not getting seen at all. You are getting ranked for 12 keywords. Those are a lot with your name in it. You are getting ranked for landscaping Northwest Arkansas, but you're in 63rd position. So nobody's ever going to find you unless they know your name. Same thing for landscaping Springdale, 76th position. Landscaping Fayetteville, 86th position. So let's look at this company. So this is ranking #1 the organic for lawn care. Their website looks pretty nice as far as the look of it. They have a little bit of content, not nearly enough to keep you guys from beating them if you really go after them and do what you need to do. Let's drop their URL in, and you can see they've got a domain rating of 14, a URL rating of 11. That's a good ratio between the two. We're going to have to be stronger than that to beat them, and the strength comes in getting better referring domains. So Google's going to pick your keywords up from your content. I'm not worried about that, but your referring domains is what we really have to dig in and see how we got to beat these guys, and that's where the cost of your SEO is going to be impacted, because it just takes effort and money to go. Sometimes we have to rent links. Sometimes we have to just go create a lot of content on a post to send it back to your page. Let's look at landscapingfayetteville.com. So this is Fayark Lawns site. They have a pretty trendy looking site as far as their color scheme. They've got nice descriptions here about all the business services that they do. And again, a little bit of content. It just looks really nice more than anything. It's getting them by to ranking so far. They've got a 9 on the DR rating and a 9 on the URL ranking. This is where they're ranking high for landscaping based on this. And what we have to look at is, again, what are these referring domains? How are they beating their competitors? But let's look at some of the keywords in this. I just want to show you some volume, because this is really what you're looking at. It's like, okay, we're going after these types of businesses, these type of services. What kind of volume are we talking about? So landscaping Fayetteville, landscapers Fayetteville, Fayetteville AR, landscaping Fayetteville. We have to create a landscaping page and talk about that and get these keywords on there, because you can see there's 500 plus times a month that somebody is searching in Fayetteville alone for landscaping, lawn care Fayetteville. Lawn service Fayetteville, 150 searches, there's another 40. You come down here, lawn services Fayetteville AR, there's another 30. Fayetteville AR lawn care, another 20. And these are all low on the keyword difficulty, this green here. And it's not going to take a long time to overtake these guys from an SEO perspective of just what you're doing. Now, you want to continue to doing SEO, because you can't just get to the top and stay there and stop doing the things that you do. You've got to continue to build your website strength over time and maintain that. Some of these links will fall off and such. This is all just in Fayetteville. I mean, there's probably almost 1,000 searches just in Fayetteville a month of people looking for lawn care, landscaping, things like that. If you look at Springdale, there's going to be even more. Landscaping Springdale AR, 60 searches a month. Lawn care Springdale, 50 searches a month. And they're not even going after Rogers at all. So looking at that perspective, it is really not real competitive from what you would have to do to beat these guys. It's just a matter of like, which one of you guys wants to invest in SEO and really go pick up the traffic and get it to come into your site. Because again, you're trying to rank in the top 3 in the map section. You're trying to rank in the top 3 in this organic section. If you want to run ads too for lawn care, I would highly suggest that. Nobody's doing it right now, probably because it's cold. But it's about the time to start picking that up. And also for landscaping, you could. It's a little bit competitive, but we would take a look and see what it takes to beat those guys on the ad side. Citations as the third thing. I'll bring this over real quick. So this is just an example of a moving company that I did an analysis for. But what I'm trying to do is like, okay, if this was you and your competitors all had these green check marks for the Better Business Bureau, that would mean we need to go get the link for the Better Business Bureau. We need a Yelp account if this is you. We need a Facebook account if this is you. And tying all of this back to your website, a Yahoo, a MapQuest. These are all citations. So these are just directory listings. It's a place where it's out there on the internet where your business can be listed. So I'll wrap up real quick. It's 3 things again. It's content on your website, keyword rich, enough of it, 1,500 words minimum on your homepage. Second thing are backlinks. These are other websites that link to yours, pushing power to you. They need to be the right kind of links. You can't just go, buy a bunch of backlinks from another country and, they're throwing 1,000 links up in a month. It's not going to work. Google's going to know that's going on. The third thing is your citations, name, address, and phone number on as many online directories as you need to beat your competitors. Doing all that, and over time, you will rank up in an organic section. You will slowly, overtake those guys, depending on, how competitive it is. So we also run Google ad campaigns. I can help you with that as well if that's something you want to look at. We have a really good track record of running really high performance campaigns that is giving you a great ROI on your advertising spend with Google. If you have any questions about this, or, I'm just hoping that this was really helpful to you guys. But you can reach out to me at 479-326-7899. I'm Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Thank you.